This course, Parts of Speech Made Simple, by Dr. Victor G. Teves, is a series of videos discussing the different parts of speech. At the end of each lesson, a diagnostic quiz is given to assess your mastery and retention of the topics discussed. These are the 8 parts of speech: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Let's have a look at the definition of each part of speech. Nouns are name of persons, places, or things. Examples are John, park, book. Pronouns are words used to substitute nouns without naming them. Examples are you, he, she, we, they, and him. Verbs are words or groups of words that denote action, state of being, or condition. Examples: chaste denotes action, consists denotes a state of being, have denotes a condition. Adjectives are descriptive words that help us create pictures in our minds about nouns and pronouns. Examples are beautiful, flawless, greenish, careful, trendy. Verbal. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Adverbs answer the questions when, where, or how. Examples are daily, anywhere, quickly. Prepositions. A preposition links a noun or a pronoun to another word in the sentence and shows the relationship between the two words. For example, in, on, beside, aboard, across, within. Conjunctions. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses. Examples are and, but, yet, as if, so that, because, either or, neither nor, both and. Interjections. An interjection is a word or group of words used to express a strong or sudden feeling. It denotes surprise, pleasure, anger, delight, pain, sorrow, wonder, and the like. Examples are oh, hurrah, hello, hoy, so, ha.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel now. Want to help me create more free courses? Buy me a cup of coffee on Ko-Fi to help me stay awake at midnight.